Year 2023, we sold our 43 catamaran, called Sumich. The vessel we have left was the Amanzi dinghy. We give them a different dinghy to go with SV Sumich for the sale, but we kept this one. Some days, we go boating around Hervey Marina. And go around to visit SV Sumich.
Hi, Sammy J! How are you? Hello, baby! Hello, baby!
It was our home for 6 years, while our main house in Sunshine Coast was being rented. Then we would go home a bit sad. We still continue boating around to still feel connected with the sea. This was our house in Sunshine Coast. As we live in a boat with SV Sumich before we sold it. The plan is for Pete to retire, sell the house, buy a boat and a smaller house. We bought a boat 1917 and a house before selling the main house. We did love living in a boat. This was the house we bought in Hervey Bay in 2021. We borrow money against the main house. We love this house, but the house interest increase. We sold this house anyway and get back to Sunshine Coast. We did have to go back to work and has to go back to our main house in Sunshine Coast. Pete is a horse dentist stand in Denton sales representative of a product. And I am a human health therapy of a product. This was the human health therapy equipment that I work with. April 2023, we finally got married. After 9 years being together at that time. There was a load of things that are happening, including our wedding. We missed the boats of some IJ. So some days we would go for a drive and look at a boat. Once, we did look at this trimaran. We have to miss out this trimaran. Sept 2025, we finally sold our house in Sunshine Coast.